Today we start with a very important concept that is called as arrays. Very important concept. Array. See, array is nothing but collection of what you call collection of set of similar or same data elements stored. Collection of similar data elements stored is said to be array. Array is nothing but collection of similar or same data elements stored. For example, consider a book array. A book array consists of information related to all the books. Students array contains information related to all the students. See, how to declare an array? If you want to declare an array, there is a syntax. The first one is data type, as you know, integer, float, character, etc. And array name or name of the array. And within this is called as a subscript, which consists of size of the array. You need to mention number, size of array. It may be 5 elements or 10 elements, 20 elements or 100 elements. Consider an example. Integer is a data type and the array name is a marks or something. A is an array of 5. Listen, data type, integer is a data type. A is the name of the array and it contains how many elements? 5 elements. Whenever you declare the array, automatically within the memory, it will be created like this. A of array always starts with 0. A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, and A of 4. See this? Within the memory, it will be created like this. If you visit any cinema theater or theater, this is the chair. Every chair is identified by a number, for example, A15. A15 is the location and this is the person. That is the content address. So A of 0 is an address, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4. These are addresses. Array consists of some elements, for example, 20, 10, 15, 11, 45, like this. This is called as, what is the value of A of 0? A of 0 is equal to 20. A of 1 is equal to 10. A of 2 is equal to 15. A of 3 is equal to 11. A of 4 is equal to 45. A is an array and 0 is the location. A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4, etc. Arrays can be divided into two categories, that is one-dimensional array or a single-dimensional array which contains only one subscript, I told you. Second one is two-dimensional array or double-dimensional array which consists of two subscripts. Got it? Here, array is nothing but collection of similar data elements. It may not hold dissimilar data elements. Integer array can hold only integer. If you write floating point array, float f of 10, f is an array of type float that can hold 10 floating point values. Character array, character C of 10 C is an array of type character and it can hold 10 characters. Now, our intention, our program is to provide. I am declaring an array like this: void main integer a of 5 printf. Already I want to get 5 elements. Otherwise, you may declare a of 10. You may ask the user how many elements do you want to enter. Initially, I'm taking 5 values. Enter 5 elements, or you may write 3 elements initially. If you want to read array, say this: scanf %d. You need to read what? A of 0. Again, scanf a of 1. I told you, array always starts with 0 up to n minus 1. A of 3, A of 4. For everything, we require a scanf. Immediately, you have to think in a separate, sir, why you are using 5 scanf statements? Is there any alternative? Yes, definitely. That's why we go for a for loop. For I is equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus. You have to read it. Scanf %d ampersand a of I. What is the initially? 0. 0 is less than 5. Yes. Scanf a of 0. Again, I value will be incremented. What is that? 1. Now, a of 1. Yes. Then I value will be incremented. 2. A of 2. A of 3. A of 4. 4 plus 1. 5. 5 is less than 5. No. Simply, we are going to printf \n given array elements are. If you print only printf statements, one last value, garbage. What is the last value of I? 5. A of 5. Is it A of 5 contains any value? No. So garbage value will be printed. That's what we have to do. We have to take again for loop. For I is equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus. We need to printf %d simply A of I. So what is for I is equal to what? 0. I is equal to 0. 0 will be incremented by 1. Okay. That is 0 plus 1. What? 0 plus 1? 1. Again, A of 2, A of 3, something like this, it will be printed. Let us go through one example program. Be careful. Very simple and easy program. I'm doing this with the online compiler. Or you may use either Turbo C compiler or something for your execution. That is your wish. Initially, I'm declaring integer A of 5. I'm going to utilize a for loop. That's why I. That's it. Printf enter any 5 elements. Enter any 5 elements. Okay. If you want to enter any 5 elements, what you are using, for example, if I'm using scanf %d ampersand A of 0, so you need to know on both the aspects. That's why I'm doing this in 2 examples. I'm doing this with the 2 examples. I'm taking A of 0. I want to read 5 elements: A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, and A of 4. Again, I'm printing the same thing without using for loop. Given 5 elements are given 5 elements are, I'm taking it. Again, I'm using printf percentage D backslash T, your wish. If you want to print backslash T or backslash N, that is your wish. Comma, the first element will be stored at A of 0. A of 0. Then A of 1, I want to print here. Say this. Just I'm copying this for saving the time. And 2, and this is 3, and this is 4. That's it. If you execute the program, what happens? See this, here we got an error. What is that error? Here there is no component that this is already printed without this. Okay, that's it. And if you write integer, you need to return 0. Okay, now execute. Enter 5 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Or your wish. You can use anything. You can use anything. You can executing the program once again. Given elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, I'm right executing 10, 30, 40, 20, and 50. Enter. Given 5 elements are 10, 30, 40, 20, and 50. Okay. But here we used many scanf statements. For example, if the program may include write a C program to read and print 100 numbers. Is it possible for you to use 100 scanf statements, 100 printf statements, or 100 variables? No, it's a difficult task. That's why what I'm doing is enter 5 elements. Here, what I'm using for I is equal to 0. I told you array always starts with 0. I value will be incremented by 1, I plus plus, scanf, what? Instead of 0, what I'm doing? A of I. What I'm doing? A of I. What is A of I? In the case of reading, the first I value will be 0, then A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4, etc. So based upon size. In the same way, for printing also, I am using first statement for I is equal to 0, I is less than 4, I plus plus. Instead of printing of every number, just simply I am printing of what? I. Printing of I. For example, see this. You can remove these elements, execute the program. Enter 5 elements, 3, 6, 5, 4, 2 something. Given elements are, see this. Here we got an error. It is not error. You can identify. For I is equal to 0, I is less than 4 I wrote. What is that? I is less than 5 only. Then only 5 elements will be printed. 4, 7, 5, 6, and 2. Now you will get 4, 7, 5, 6, 2. Got the difference? See, array is nothing but, once again, array is nothing but similar data element stored. What I told you, A is an array, its subscript is only 1. That's why it is a single dimensional array. Array values starts with 0 up to n minus 1, A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4 like this. Within the memory, the array may include the following elements. Here like this, here 10, 20, 70, 80, and 30. What is A of 1? A of 1 is equal to 20. Remember, A of 1 is equal to 20. 1 is the location. 1 is the location. A of 1 is the first location. A of 2, 70. A of 3, 80. A of 4, 30. What I am doing here, this is I am taking I. I is equal to what? 0. Up to how? How many numbers? 4. That's why I took for I is equal to 0. I is less than. I is less than 5. I plus plus. Here I am taking the value in the terms of I is equal to 0. I is less than 5. I plus plus. So what to do? In the case of array, I am taking A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, and A of 4. Now our program would be, I want to find some of those numbers, some of array elements. What are array elements? A of 0, A of 1, plus up to whatever. Now let us go through next program. Consider A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, and A of 4. Same elements. We have 2, 7, 6, 3, and 5. What is the sum? 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 1, 16 plus 5, 21. Plus 2, 23. I want to print the sum value. What is that? 23. Very simple program. Write a C program to read an array and find the sum of array elements. That is a single dimensional array. Very simple program. You know how to read it? How to declare it first? Integer A of 5. You require I because we are using for loop. And you are going to find the sum value. That's why sum is equal to 0. Printf enter any 5 numbers. Then we are using for loop. For I is equal to 0. For I is equal to 0. I is less than 5. I told you if you write less than 4, you will get only 4 numbers instead of 5. I value will be incremented by 1 I plus plus. How to read it? I told you. Scanf %d ampersand what? A of I. Array names are your wish. You may use A or ARR or array or something like this. If you want to find the sum, for I is equal to 0, same loop need to be utilized. Now what happens? See, very important. What is I? I is equal to 0. 0 is less than 5. Yes. Now I am taking sum is equal to sum plus. If you write only I, what happens? 0 will be added because this is the I value. I value start with 0 to 4. If we write sum is equal to sum plus I, what happens? It's 0, 1, 2, 3 will be added. But what we require? 2. What is 2? A of 0. That's why I am taking sum is equal to sum plus A of I. Sum plus A of I. What happens? Sum plus A of I. Sum is equal to what? 0. That is equal to 0 plus. What is A of 0? 2 is equal to 2. Again, I value will be incremented. 1. 1 is less than 5. Yes. Sum is equal to what? 2 plus A of 1. What is A of 1? 7. That is equal to 9. I value will be incremented by 1. A of 2. That is sum is equal to 9 plus A of 2. What is A of 9? A of 2? 6. That is equal to 15. I will be incremented by 1. 3. Already sum value is 15. 15 plus A of 3. How much? It is 3. That is equal to 18. Plus again I value will be incremented. A of 4. 5. That is equal to 18 plus 5. That is 23. I value will be incremented. 5. 5 is less than 5. No. Then we are going to print if sum of array elements are %d sum. Let us execute the program. See, execution of program is a very, very important, remember. And you are not supposed to execute the program by seeing the notebook or getting some kind of screenshots and execute. You have to write your programs on your own. If you have any doubts, you can send me the details. I will solve it. But you are not supposed to see and type the program. Okay. How to declare it? Integer a of I. You require I because of for loop. And we are going to find the sum value. That's why sum is equal to 0. Printed. Enter any 5 elements. How to read it? For I is equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus. For I is equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus. Then how to read it? Scanf. Scanf percentage D ampersand A of I. Got it? This is for reading. If you want to find the sum value, for again you require a loop. Otherwise, only A of 5. What is A of 5? Garbage value will be stored. I is less than 5. I plus plus. Now sum is equal to what? Sum plus A of I. Sum plus A of I. That's it. Once sum value is calculated, initially 0, A of 0. Sum is equal to 0 plus A of 0. Sum is equal to 0 plus, A of 0 plus again A of 1. Something like this. After completion of it, you have to write printf sum of given array elements are percentage D. What is that? Sum over execute the program. Enter any 5 elements. I'm entering 2, 5, 6, 4, and 3. 2, 5, 4, 2, 5, 6, 4, 3. What is that? 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. Sum of given array elements are 20. Got it? This is the program for finding sum of given array elements. Here what I taken, that is in the terms of 5. For example, here I'm taking A of 10. Instead of 5 elements, I want to select. Instead of 5 elements, I'm not interested to take 5 elements every time. Sometimes I may be interested to take only 3 elements. Sometimes I'm interested to take only 11 or 7 elements like that. That's what I'm doing. Integer. You may write A of 10. Remaining everything is okay. Sum is equal to 0. And you may take one more variable here. One more variable here. Sum is equal to 0 and n. Printf. The first statement, \n. How many elements you want to enter? How many elements you want to enter? That means you have to read scanf percentage D ampersand n. So remember, in the case of looping statements, if you want to find the sum of 1 to 10 natural numbers, there is no need to read the n value. In the same way, if you want to find the sum of first 5 elements or given 5 elements, there is no need to read anything. But here, what is my question? Write a C program to find the sum of given n elements. What is n? N may be 5, n may be 2, n may be 7, at most n may be 10. If you write n is equal to 20 here, you may take n value up to 20. But here I'm taking remaining is same. Printf. I'm asking enter instead of 5 elements, enter percentage D elements. enter percentage D elements. How to read it? Enter percentage D. What is percentage D? You have to remember. What is percentage D? That is N. Enter percentage D elements. What is percentage D? N. For everything is same. For I is equal to 0, I is less than N. Instead of 5, what happens? I is less than N. I plus plus. How to read it? Scanf percentage D ampersand A of I. Remember, everything is same. Let us go through the program once. See what variable, which variable you require? We require N. Here I'm asking the printf statement, printf \n, enter the size of the array, enter your range, your wish, size of array. You have to read it. How? Scanf percentage D ampersand N, printf, enter, see this. This is the statement. Printf, enter percentage D elements. What is percentage D elements? That is N. Got it? Instead of 5, what you are going to write? N. Remaining everything is same. Everything is same. Now I'm executing. Enter the size of array. I may take 3, I may take 5, I may take any 10 or 6, 7, anything. Enter. Enter any 3 elements. Why? Because here I told you, what is this? Enter percentage D. What is percentage D? N. What is N value? 3. Here I'm giving 4, 6. Okay. Now here I need to give here 4, 6, and 10. Enter sum of what is array elements A of 0, A of 1, A of 2. Sum is equal to 0 plus A of 0. What is A of 0? 4. I told you in the case of chart. Again, 4 plus A of 1, I value will be incremented. A of 1, what is that? 6. 4 plus 6, that is 10. Again, I value will be incremented. A of 2, what is that? 10. 10 plus 10, that is equal to 20. Once again, I'm executing the program. Enter the size of the array 6. Here I'm giving 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, and 10. Now the sum of given array elements are 39. Sum of given array elements are 39. If you take anything, enter the size of array 10, 3, 5, 4, 6, 2, 4, something. 3 plus 3 plus. You may take anything. Enter the sum of given array elements are 48. See, very simple concept. If you follow the first element, it is very easy to learn. See, if you perfect with this concept, you are able to understand other concepts. In the case of Python or Java, the concept is same, but only syntax differs. The concept is same, only syntax differs. Is it okay? That's all.